2025 Citroën 2CV Sport, the revival of a French classic. Exterior, nostalgic charm with a sporty twist. The 2025 Citroën 2CV Sport preserves the iconic, curved silhouette and high-arched fenders of the original 2CV while adding a contemporary edge. The car's rounded bodywork and classic lines are updated with a sportier stance, featuring a wider, lower profile and bold design elements like the enlarged front grille and integrated LED headlights. Distinctive color options, including classic shades like Citroën light gray and red, offer a nod to the past, while modern options such as metallic blue and deep green provide a fresh, contemporary look. The 2CV Sport also comes with a retractable fabric roof reminiscent of the classic model's open-air design, adding an extra layer of vintage charm. Interior, minimalist design meets modern comfort. Inside the 2CV Sport, Citroën has created a minimalist yet comfortable cabin that retains the simplicity of the original model, but with new materials and technology. A two-spoke steering wheel, retro-inspired upholstery, and metal accent details deliver a nostalgic feel, while the modern features offer 21st-century convenience. The dashboard houses a small yet high-resolution digital display and a central infotainment screen with a retro-themed interface. The infotainment system is equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, all controlled via a touch panel that blends seamlessly into the dashboard. The cabin's spacious layout, foldable rear seats, and storage compartments make it practical and comfortable for city driving and weekend